Fuel your body like a high-performance machine. Choose foods that power your workout. Nutrition is the unsung hero behind every successful workout, the invisible force that transforms your efforts into energy. Picture this, a plate full of colorful, nutrient-dense foods. Quinoa, sweet potatoes, blueberries, almonds. Each bite is a step towards an energized workout. But what if you're short on time? Fear not. Whip up a quick smoothie with spinach, banana, and a scoop of protein powder, or perhaps a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with chia seeds and honey. Simple, quick, and packed with energy. Now imagine you're about to hit the gym. What's on your plate? For cardio, you'll want a balance of carbs and protein. For strength training, lean towards protein and healthy fats. And for flexibility exercises, focus on hydration and light, easy-to-digest foods. Ready to fuel your fitness journey? Share your nutrition tips with us. Join Home Fitness Fusion for more workout inspiration. Remember, fuel your body, power your workout, and unleash your full potential. Thanks for tuning in. Explore more nutrition and fitness content right here, and remember to engage with us on social media.